This will make you a better writer. That's the name of the workshop that I want to tell you about. I began by calling it This Could Make You a Better Writer, and I've grown more confident since then, because there is so much to be learned from the book that inspired this workshop, You Could Make This Place Beautiful, by the poet Maggie Smith. She's written a wonderful memoir that is not only beautiful in style and content, she's a wonderful poet, but it also, she hovers above the writing as she's doing it and asks a lot of the questions that many people have when they're writing memoir. Like, how do I protect the people in my story? Or what do I do when they don't want a certain detail in there? How much of this story is mine? And she's doing it in the course of the writing. And so as I was reading it, I was thinking, this is dynamite. This is such a great way to both look at a great book and read as a writer, look at what the writer is doing and how she is solving some of these questions and obstacles that many people have, and how to do it in such a way that the writing itself is inspiring, the story is wonderful, and yeah, we can learn so much by the end about our own work. So the workshop, it's a live workshop. It'll be about 90 minutes, let's say, an hour to an hour and a half, on August 30th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and you can get all the details below and the links to sign up and all that sort of thing. $25 deal. Okay, see you then. Bye.